Sandhya Dimbar. Today's date is 6th August 2022. Today's video topic name is relational mapping in JPA. So first we will discuss about what is relation mapping. A relation mapping transform any object data member type of a corresponding relational database data source representation any supported relation database mapping let you map to object model into a relational data model. Relational mapping transfers object from a member to the relationship database field. Use them to map a simple data type including primitive such as integer, JDK classes and large object LOB values. You can also use them the transfer object data members that reference other domain object by way of association where the data source representing required object identity 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 maintenance such as a sequential of the back reference the process various type of multiplying the navigability. The appropriate mapping of a class is chosen primitive data and cardinally of the relationship. An object relationship data mapping transfer the certain object data member type of structured data source representations optimization to the to specialization after object relationship data type database such as Oracle and database server object relationship data is a mapping let no app a map is a model into a object relationship database model. In general you can use the relationship mapping as a support any supports relationship database. Relationship data types optimizes supports object relationship data types so as a representation. Many to many mapping are the implemented using relationship table. The table contains column for the primary key of a source to target table corresponding the primary key is required to the column for the each field of composite key. The implementing table must be create in a database before using many to many mapping. Then next point is that the target classes does not have implemented any behavior for the many to many mapping. The target class also create the many to many mapping back source of the same relationship table of the mapping must be the there are a few types of relationship. First is a one to one, second is a one to many, third is a many to one, and fourth is a many to many. It's all about the relational mapping in JPA. Thank you.